Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Supreme Paydays. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Supreme Paydays works. Now as a reminder, the discounted price for this digital product launch is limited time offer, so make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. And now I'm offering you this digital product for a discounted price, so if you can click the link down below in the description of this video. And also I'm offering you my free bonuses right over here. So it's gonna show you where or how you can get this product from here, so you can retrieve my free bonuses by offering the link down below in this video. So just keep an eye on my bonus banner right here and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Supreme Paydays. Now to put it briefly, Supreme Paydays is a program that will teach you how you can build your own online business inside the members area. Now they included this video trainings for you to follow along each modules, and each lesson will teach you how to right over here is they'll teach you how to find hot offers to promote. They're actually gonna show you how to build your own rotator and also build your own funnel and integrate your autoresponder in this video. And over here is where you can set up your email follow-ups, testing your funnel, and getting traffic. Over here, it's the most important thing for you to promote your affiliate links is to master the getting the traffic by watching this module here. And here is the top converting traffic source, and here is where you can monitor and scale, and here is the free traffic method. So a lot of this traffic offers in this section here, which is kind of cool because then you'll be able to learn all kinds of the traffic methods in this module. And then last one would be the done for you offers and money page. Now in module 3, here is the case studies for you to go and check for the results with this method. So he's gonna show you that this case study has been proven that this method is gonna work, and you're gonna start earning money with this overall business method that you're about to watch for the Supreme Paydays. Now here is the fourth module. Here is the conclusions, which will be your next steps. Then module 5 are the bonuses offered in the vendors members area. I also offer you my free bonuses as well along with this purchase. So if you click the link below this video to purchase Supreme Paydays, you will get my free bonuses along with this purchase. And also in module 6 are the unannounced bonuses. So a lot of bonuses will be offering to this specific program. And here are the resources for this program of Supreme Paydays. And here are the available upgrades for you to check out. I'm actually gonna explain that later on to my bonus page, because I'm also gonna add it onto my page here for the upgrades of this product. So here are more of the stuff that you can choose from. So if you can check out all this free book, limited copies, ditch your old website. Here are more free traffic sources over here. Here is the exclusive free training call, and that's about it. So there's a ton of information in the front end of the Supreme Paydays. So as you can see here, a lot for you to check out each of the video trainings. And pretty much this is an overall blueprint of how you can build your own online marketing using the Supreme Paydays methods inside of the members area. Now I want to talk about the benefits of this product. Now Supreme Paydays, this is actually great for beginners and newbies who are having a hard time building their online business. And you know, if you're not getting the results, then this program will help you speed up the process so you can start earning your income from this business model. And this is very easy to follow training modules because of the as you can see here, these are all video-based training. These are, you can easily follow along just for the press of the button and just watch and just pay attention to the trainings and just pretty much follow as you go. And also the case studies, as I mentioned earlier over here, case studies and results have been proven for this product to work 100%. And it is available inside of the members area once you purchase Supreme Paydays. It's been proven here that this actually works. And also once you watch all these video trainings, you can start going ahead and apply what you learn from this case studies or whatever you learn from here, so that you can start generating profits from this method. Now let's go to my bonus page, and I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Supreme Paydays, this is going to go live on August 27th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these red buttons here to go through to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then my bonuses will actually disappear once this is when the countdown is over. And then that's actually obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim these bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and just scroll down and click on any of these red buttons here to go through to the sales page, where you can go ahead and pick this up. And now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page and send me a message right there, and then I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just buy the front end, which is a one-time price of $12.95. And also if you want to upgrade your front end purchase, for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet for your needs for your online business. So over here is the available upgrades for you to check out, and right over here is these are the details that you can check by clicking the link down below in the description of my video. And you can feel free to go ahead and read each of the available upgrades for you to check out. So this is optional, but then again, if you want to speed up the process of earning more commissions, then you can actually check out the details of each of these upgrades, and then pretty much you can go ahead and choose the offer of your choice for the upgrades, and then you'll be able to maximize your profit with the Supreme Paydays program. Now when you click the link down below in the description of my video to purchase Supreme Paydays, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of this video. And if you have any questions about my bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you'll find down below onto my bonus page over here. you can go ahead and follow me and then send me a message right there if you have any questions about the bonuses. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of Supreme Days. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on August 30th. So make sure to look up for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be one-time price of $12.95. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Supreme Paydays review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Supreme Days at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.